If the user clicks the cancel button, you want to cancel the process. Close the modal showing the two buttons so the user can continue editing. Add a click event listener to the cancel button element, then use close method on the confirm close dialog variable. It says close is a method. Oh, wait, I need this one. I'm also reviewing, so yes. Can you wait for a minute? This is how I review, you know, so that it will be saved to the cloud. Anyways, so if the user clicks cancel button, it says add event listener to the cancel button element. Use close method. I'm getting rubbish. Element. Confirm close dialog to the element. Okay, let's start by this one. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit slow now because I've been always been slow. So if you push the cancel button, it will listen to the click, and then use the close method on. It says on confirm close dialog variable, and we change the method called close. I guess it shouldn't. Wait. Oh, I forgot again. So if it is click, now what? So if it's clicked, it should implicitly return. It should automatically return this line of code. Yay!